The Chief Ministers of Meghalaya and Assam met to discuss the border dispute between their states. They are working together to resolve the issue and have made progress in defining boundaries for 6 areas. They also addressed recent law and order concerns and decided to shift police forces for better public trust. The planned Judicial Commission for the Mukroh Firing incident will be replaced by a CBI investigation. Both Chief Ministers will visit Psiar and Khanduli in October to further address the border concerns.
Other cabinet ministers and officials for hosting this meeting today. We had different members of the different regional committees and senior officials from the state as well as the district levels today in this meeting, and large number of decisions were taken today. We are happy to inform the people of both Assam and Meghalaya that after a very long drawn exercise, we are now on the verge of also finalizing the actual pillars and the post and the actual boundary lines in the first 6 areas of differences which we have signed the MOU in the presence of Honorable Home Minister, Government of India. And today in the meeting we have approved and given a green signal for the Ahim sector, where the survey has been conducted along with the Assam and the Meghalaya state officials. And we are happy to announce that the line has been finalized. And similarly, we have given instructions and decided today that the rest of the 5 areas of differences, again out of which 3 of them are very close to completion, but we have instructed and taken a decision that by 31st of December, all these 6 areas where the MOU had been signed in the first phase, the actual line and demarcation by the Survey of India, along with the officials of both the states, should be completed. So we have decided on that. So that is going to be a major decision and a major push. We are happy that we have finally reached a conclusion.
To further resolve the Assam-Meghalaya border dispute. Discussion is very cordial, and we have been able to take certain very important decisions today. Number 1, as a confidence building measure and not to put the respective officers of both the state in difficulty, we have decided to wind up the Judicial Commission ordered by Assam and Meghalaya to inquire the Mukroh Firing. Instead, both the government will now request CBI to investigate the matter instead of Judicial Commission, and we will request CBI not to register the case either in Shillong or in Guwahati, but in a neutral venue, so that central government agency can inquire the incident of violence, and we both wind up the Judicial Commission, because none of the commission has able to make any progress, because the judicial inquiry ordered by Assam, Meghalaya is not, Meghalaya witnesses are not coming, and in the judicial inquiry ordered by Meghalaya government, Assam witnesses are not going. So in order to have a fair and impartial inquiry, we decided that instead of pursuing judicial inquiry at the end of state government, let us refer to an independent agency, namely CBI, and we will request CBI not to register the case in Guwahati or Shillong. Regarding the 6 area where we have already resolved the issue, we are happy to inform you that finally Survey of India has completed their survey in Ahim. Now border pillar will be erected, and both the state government has accepted the position. Today Survey of India officials were there. We have requested other 5 areas like Dijang, Tarabari, Ratachera. We asked them to quickly complete the survey before 31st December. In Tarabari area, there are some problem with one village, that Malang Salbil, that Salbari. we have asked Assam side to be little flexible while demarcating the border so that local people do not get unnecessary tense and we can resolve peacefully. So whatever little bit of flexibility we have to show in Tarabari, we will show, Assam will show, but let us quickly finish the border pillar activity in 6 agreed area. Ahim already we did, and we want to quickly do in Tarabari, in Dijang, in Khanapara, Pilinkata and Ratachera. So today overall it was a very good discussion. We could take many decisions and we hope to visit Khanduli Psiar area in the last week of October and then carry forward the discussion in next 2 months so that at least in 3 disputed area out of 6 we can show some positive result.